1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ for sale in Sacramento, California 95829. Motivated seller on low mileage RV. Spread your wings and fly with this 1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ. This Class A motorhome is 36.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Cummins 300 turbo diesel engine mated with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission that sits atop a VC26RD chassis. This RV has one large awning, awnings over windows, and sleeps 4 people comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. With low miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on a campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burn StoveConvection microwave refrigerator, freezer, ice, MakerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with chair, SeatingElectric, FireplaceTelevisionSurround, SoundCD/StereoSofa, SleeperChairs, glass enclosed ShowerToilet, SinkWasher/dryer, HookupsMaster, queen-size BedTelevisionStorage, DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceHeat, PumpPower, boost antenna backup, GeneratorCummings. Engine replaced on April 24, 2006 at 115,128 miles, and many other items to make your camping trips fun. This 1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded 1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 1995 Winnebago Lexor Series M-37WQ.